Ayan, marinig din natin. I-brown na natin siya. So, ayan, i-brown muna natin siya. Ayan, saka natin ilagay sa ulit. We are going to brown it here using the butter. And then we are going to put this in the oven for another 15 minutes to get medium well or medium rare. So if you're cooking a lamb, you don't wanna overdo it. You don't wanna overcook it because then it will be tough. Dapat ano lang siya, medium well or medium rare. It's like beef steak. It's like steak. Kapag nagluluto ka ng steak, may preference ka sometimes. You want medium well, you want medium rare. Oh guys, if you're here, my God, it's really so good. It's really so good. I'm hungry already. I'm hungry already. Kasi ang bangi-bangi niya, guys. Siya nga pala guys, gumamit ako ng lamb loin chops. Ito yung ginamit kong karne. So ito yung recipe natin na lamb loin chops, baked lamb loin chops. So we're going to put in the oven for another 15 minutes back after this cooking. So ito na siya guys. Na brown na natin. Ilalagay na natin siya sa oven for 15 minutes. So ito yung oven natin. Na-preheat na natin siya sa 400. So, ayan na siya. So, ito na guys. Luto na yung ating lamb. Hinain na natin from oven. We already took him out from the oven. Now we are going to check the temperature. It needs to be 145 degrees Fahrenheit. Supposed to be the safe temperature of the meat. So 145 degrees. So that's good. Medium well siya. Pwede na natin siyang kainin. So, there you go. Ito yung ating final product guys. Very easy lang. Na binake natin ng 15 minutes. para sa medium well. And then if you want talagang lutong-luto, medium well done, you can leave it in the oven for another 5 minutes to make it 20 minutes total. So yun pag gusto mo lutong-luto talaga. Pero ang recommended, and a lot of people prefer eating lamb on a medium well. So yun ang ginawa natin, medium well. Alright, so meron na tayo dito dinner, at meron tayong broccoli para sa ating dinner. So, yun po ang ating recipe for tonight. Kung bago ka pa lang po sa aking YouTube channel at nagustuhan niyo po ang aking pong recipe na ginawa, don't forget to subscribe on my channel, Khryss Lawson Vlog. And don't forget to hit the notification ring, bell button, para po updated po kayo sa mga susunod ko pa po mga video. And maraming salamat po sa inyong pag-support. Kung nagustuhan niyo po ang recipe video na ito, please like and share, and paki-comment po sa baba kung ano pa po yung mga pwede kong iluto ng mga recipe na magugustuhan niyo po. So thank you po sa panonood ng aking channel, at saka thank you po sa patuloy pong pag-support. Thank you so much, and kita-kits